What's going on, Mr. X?
What's going on is that I lost a couple bolts. So, and these are the bolts for the engine mount over here. So I already got two, one on one side and one on the other side, but I lost the other two. So we're gonna head to the junkyard, grab those, and also grab anything else that we might need. So we'll catch you there. Got a long way to go. We have to head all the way over to the American cars, all the way over to the end. So we're gonna go for that walk, Nick. Let's make this walk. All right, so after searching, we finally found one. All right, we finally found a charger with the bolts that we need. You know, someone was generous enough to just leave them in there. All right, so just pull them all out, pull them all out.
Perfectly in there.
Pull them all out.
Right where we need it to
Pull
be.
them all out. Let's get them all.
Okay.
Oh, all right, so check this out. We paid for it. We paid for them. Relax, relax. You guys slow down. All right, but we got 4 just in case if I end up losing another 2 again. So now we can at least get all of these completely bolted in. And we could continue with the rest of trying to get this engine locked in for today. All right, so stay tuned.